Hello everyone, it's me, Rich Bin. Today we're working on the old 98 Saturn SL2. And what we're doing today is we're modifying the headlights. We're changing out the old 9006 low beam to this new bulb called the 9012. It's supposed to be almost twice as much lumens and it's whiter. But here's the thing, we got to modify the bulb to fit the housing. Come over the bench, I'll show you that bulb we're going to use. Here is the bulb we're going to be using. You can see it's a 9012. This one is the Philips Crystal Vision Ultra. And supposedly it looks like this as opposed to what we have now. And you can see they have a graph of the light color. Alright, let me take it out of the package and we'll get it set up for the mod we got to do. Now the modification we're going to be doing to the 9012 bulb is right here on the top tang. Right where I have this blue tape is the material we want to have when we're done. And if we take the 9006 bulb, what you want to do is measure so we're very close to 8 millimeters there. Now the height is about 140 inches, 0.140 of an inch, which is about what, 3.5 millimeters. Anyways, gonna measure that top one on your old 9006 and transfer that over to the new 9012. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the bench grinder to remove that material on the tang. Alright, we got it close. We'll take a hand file and get it right where it should be. Here is the modified 9012. And let's compare that to the 9006. Pretty close. Let's check the bulb for fit. There it is. Right in the same position as the other bulb. All right, let's put it in and see how it looks. What do you guys think of the new bulb? Much brighter than the stock 9006, and let's say less yellow. Not quite as bright white as an LED bulb, but I think that was going to be unrealistic for that bulb to match what an LED puts out in whiteness. But all in all, it's an improvement over a stock 9006. Alright guys, thanks for watching.